Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to replace your camshaft position sensor. So if you guys have any one of these listed codes coming on your car, then this video will help you guys out. And without wasting any time, let's get started. The particular car I'm working on today is a 2012 Audi A6, and I'm going to start off by removing the engine cover. Once the engine cover is off, we're going to locate the camshaft position sensor, and on this Audi it's right next to the oil cap. It's this small sensor right here with an electrical connection. Just pull the silver tab back and then pull the wire out, and then the sensor is held on with one screw. It's a T30, and if you guys need any of the parts or tools that I used in this video, I'll have them all linked down below in my description box, so please check that out. Once the screw is removed, you should be able to remove the sensor right out. And now what I'm going to do is get a clean lint-free towel and clean the outer and inner side of the sensor area. And now I'm going to install the new camshaft sensor, and if you guys also need the parts, I'll have a link down below in my description box. To install it, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to just put it inside the slot, push it in, and once you heard that click, it's secure in place. And now I'm going to reinstall the wire, push it into place, and push the tabbing in. And then I'm going to tighten up the screw, put everything back together, and then we're going to go back to the car, turn it on, and see if it's misfiring. I really hope this video helped you guys out on fixing your camshaft sensor issue on your vehicle. And if this video did help you guys out, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button and also drop a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.